Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to enable users recover forgotten passwords, aka forgot password functionality. I am in Next.jS Cognito Auth project in branch 5 reset password start. The final result of this lesson is in 5 reset password end branch. If you would like to follow along, please clone this repo. The link to the repository is in the description. Let's jump into the browser. We are on the login page, and I also added forgot password link. Click here, so we can click on there, and the user has to enter their email. Let's say alex@alex.com. We're going to send the code, and then we're going to enter email again. So in your real application, just save it and pass the email in the URL query string, so you can populate it right here, so user doesn't have to. Okay, we'll just do again alex@alex.com. We're going to put password, whatever password we want, because this is a dummy form, doesn't have any functionality yet. And then the confirmation code, we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yeah, we can just hit reset password, and then it redirects us to the login page when the password is reset successfully. And again, a better user experience would be if you show a toast that the reset password worked successfully. Let's go ahead and check out how it looks in the VS Code. So we have auth, reset password, where we have submit and confirm. And in a submit, we're going to collect the email. And then in a confirm, we're going to collect email, new password, and a confirmation code. So let's go to submit first. Let's go ahead and check out how it looks. We use handle reset password function. We're importing it from Cognito actions. Are dispatching this action, we're collecting email, and then we are showing error message if something's going wrong. And we also have send confirmation code button that is disabled when the form is being submitted. Let's go to confirm reset password form. The same deal here. We are using handle confirm reset password function. So again, importing it from Cognito actions. We collecting email, new password, and confirmation code. We click on a reset password button, disabling it while the form is being submitted. So let's go ahead and quickly jump into Cognito actions right here. We have two more functions, handle reset password and handle confirm reset password. Currently, these functions have a dummy implementation. Let's go ahead and do some work so they actually communicate to Cognito. So let's go ahead and scroll all the way up, and we're gonna import a couple more functions. So under update password, we're gonna import reset password and confirm reset password from AWS Amplify Auth. So let's go back. We'll go ahead and delete these dummy functions right here. And we're gonna paste some real code like so. So we have a handle reset password function, right? It calls the reset password. We're going to provide the username. In our case, it's an email. And, if it throws an error, we're going to get error message and pass it to the form. If everything goes well, we're going to redirect to reset password confirm page, right? So we're going to confirm the new password. Handle confirm reset password calls confirm reset password from Amplify library, and it passes an object with a username, which is email in our case, confirmation code, and a new password. Obviously, try catch again. If there is error, we return get error message. If everything goes well, we redirect user to a login page. Let's go ahead, save our changes, and we're going to switch to the browser to see if everything works. Let's click on a forget password. And it's going to prompt us to enter the email. And in a temp mail, we still have this new email. So let's copy this. And we're going to paste it and click send the code. Let's go to temp mail and let's go back to see if we got a new code in there. And as you can see, we got another verification code. Let's go ahead and open it up and copy the code. All right, let's reset password. Looks like the password that I entered does not conform to the policy. Okay, I made a little bit too much. I guess probably didn't use special characters. Let me create a better password. All right, let's try again. And now it is success. We reset the password, so we can go ahead and try using this password. I'm going to paste the email, and let's go ahead and log in, and login is successful. This lesson concludes our mini-series on how to use Cognito for authentication in your Next.js project. I encourage you to check out Amplify library documentation because it has a lot more stuff. So in order to do that, you're going to go to docs.amplify.aws, and I have a Next.js selected here, and this is the whole section. I have a lot of stuff about authentication, and a few of them we went through, like for example, sign up, sign in, and sign out. You can also change it to React or Angular or Vue or just simple plain JavaScript. You may have noticed that throughout this tutorial, we haven't used Cognito tokens directly. Amplify library did heavy lifting for us, but if you would like to learn more about Cognito tokens, please check out Cognito token authentication flow video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.